Yeah, hi, good morning, student. This is Raja again, and I hope you all had um, a great Thanksgiving break, spent some good time, quality time with family. In this video, I will go over the chapter 10, the golf course in the prep shop. And here in this assignment, probably already went through the simulation training and you did that and you learned uh, how we can use what if analysis tool. And there are multiple tools that you can use in this assignment. We're going to experience using the data table and some other built-in tools to help create what if analysis prediction. So meaning if you change one variable and you see what that changes will affect the, maybe in this case we're going to look at the net income for the company, for is kind of break-even analysis for the golf lessons, and what if we change number of clients, the fee, and how would that affect the business. So let me get started with the first step here. The first really 5 or 6 steps, we're going to just do a simple calculation, custom built-in functions, or custom functions, sorry, just to create some, calculate the revenue and the expenses and all that. So I'm going to start with here, the first step is in D6 to calculate the revenue, okay? So I know we don't have total clients, but eventually we will come up with that. So right now it's 0, but if I calculate the total gross revenue for this business, so it's going to be the total, so it's going to be the total client, which is D4, times lesson, just the course fee, right? So it's like 140. It's coming up as 0 because you have 0 clients in this particular case, but we will change this eventually. Okay. Following step, so we do have multiple expenses and we want to calculate the total expenses cost. So just a sum of these expenses. You can use the sum function. I'm just going to use the auto sum here, the sum of this range. Okay. And that's just a straightforward, again, total. So in D15, we will calculate the instructor commission. So there is a 10%, okay, commission based on the revenue, of course. So so it's D, it's equals D6 times the commission given in the cell. It is 0 again because it's the revenue 0, so that's coming up 0, but that again will be changing soon. Okay, so in here we calculate the suppliers per client. So it's again giving you that the fixed fee of this cell, the value in cell 16 times total number of clients. Again, it's 0. It's going to come up 0 because we don't have clients, a number of clients yet. Okay. So the total variable cost here, so it's going to be the sum of the two values in D15 plus D16, and the total expenses here, so that's going to be equal D13 plus D17. Okay. So you do this plus this value, and then now we're ready to calculate the net income of. So it's going to be the D6, the revenue, minus all the expenses that we all the expenses indeed 18, so because I include all of the expenses, so that's going to give us the net income. Okay, so that's current net income, again based on the calculations that we have.